This Collagen Co is arrived now. So let's do the unboxing, everybody. So I ordered a small batch this time. The last time I ordered a really big box 2 months ago. So this time it's arrived this month, August. So let's open this one, guys. I ordered the new Collagen Co marine from marine or seafood, like came from fish. So let me open this one, guys. So this time it's not from beef or bovine. Instead, this time around you can spray this one too before you open it. Okay, this time around I ordered fish or marine. It's just keep going forever, so I don't do that. So I have to control this, like however I like it. Whenever I finished it, then that's the time I order again if almost done it. So again, this is different one compared to the other one as well. Nice. I'm looking forward to this as well. I'm so happy for that. So we'll see, because this is unflavored, so for sure there is nowhere super tasty than the other one. Anyway, that's the new one. I really like the color as well. Okay, so here is my milkshake replacement collagen as well. This is 756 grams. So this Collagen Marine Beauty is only 284 grams, so way smaller than this one. So anyway, guys, that's the order that we have from them. So I ordered two this time, so probably if I like it again, this fish from the fish protein compared to the other. Beautiful. Surprise. Oh, that's turned upside down. All right, so what we have here, this papel paper here. Okay, everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I guess they won't go around for the long travel. So here is the marine collagen. They are quite expensive compared to the big one that I have. I'll show you the one I have, guys, in a second. This one, the marine collagen, I ordered unflavored, so therefore there is no flavor on it. So that's why I call unflavored. So it came from marine collagen, meaning from the fish, seafood. So that came from really good quality standard of fish, and it's only 284.2 grams net of this. So therefore they are quite expensive, really way healthier, lighter, healthier than the other one with bovine, which is the red meat from the cow, pasteurized cow from grass feed here in Australia. Alright, so this one here, the shake, they are the same, right? This is also the Collagen Co peptides. What is it? It's like a shaker, I think. So that's the marine anyway, guys. That's a marine one. It's the instructions, so whatever you want to order and more. There, that's a new one as well. Collagen peptides immune, and they have another new one as well, that purple color, but I didn't order them. You can also order this like every month or something whenever you get run out automatically, but I didn't do that. I said however I like it, however I finished it, then that's the time I order it again if I want to order it again, guys. But if I don't want to order again, I'll stop for a bit. But this one is